Just showing the next circuit in the RadioShack Electronics Learning Lab. And this is using a ceramic earphone backwards to generate a voltage. And so what this circuit does is, first of all, notice there's no power source connected. So I'm not using any of these, 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6 volts, 7.5 volts, 9 volt holes there. But what it is doing is these LEDs are connected and they require a turn-on voltage of a couple volts. And so what this will show is that this earphone, which you can, in this we're using it in reverse. So typically they transform voltage into a sound, right? That's what the headphones do. But these kind of ceramic disc headphones, it will convert a sound into voltage. And since it will turn on the LEDs, at least for a very brief moment of time, it'll show that it can do that it can generate that much voltage. I wanted to give a little background first because this is not the headphone that comes with the RadioShack Electronics Learning Lab. I actually ended up making this circuit, and I was able to get it to work, and then I tried to get the LEDs to come on a little more brightly, and I ended up breaking the headphones because I tapped it. Well, I probably did more than a tap. It says tap it sharply, and I probably tapped it very hard, so it broke. But anyways, you can order these online. I ordered 2 just so you could see how it looks before I take one apart. Couple bucks. I'm sure you can pick it up in the RadioShacks that are still around. You can probably find it for really cheap. I got this for a couple bucks online. But these things are pretty cheaply made. So what I did was I just took this and ripped off this piece here. That's what this is. That's what that's from. And then I just connected the leads to the springs just like so, just the exposed wire. Okay? So I'll put that right here. So what I'll do in a second is I will turn off the lights, and I'll leave this earphone here, and I'm just gonna do like that with the pen a couple times, and you'll see these LEDs come on. But yeah, there's no power's off. Power's off. There's no power source being used other than this, okay? So here we go. I'm going to turn off the lights. Here we go. Here we go. So you can see I'm hitting it. Red one's showing up a lot better on the camera. Okay, let me turn the light back on, and I'll show you what I was doing. I started hitting it with the pen. Let me focus on the LEDs. You can kind of see it flash, but then it was just easier just to go like this. So. Let me focus again. Try to hold this board down while I hit it, right? There we go. So I think that shows it pretty well. But yeah, in person, in dark, the green one shows up a lot better than on camera. So anyway, so this was an interesting one, using a ceramic earphone backwards to generate a voltage. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye-bye.